Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. And finally the BGMI is available in the Play Store. The early access is also available. So in this video I will show you how you can access that early access option so that you can even download it for yourself and play it. And also I will be discussing everything related to this, and so watch this video till the end. And so let's start this video. So just wait, sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. The Battlegrounds Mobile India is now available in the Play Store. Some people may already have pre-registered for it, but please make sure that the pre-register you have done for the main game, that is the main original game that you want to download. You have pre-registered for that, but the early access is released till date, and so you can download the early access for now, so that actually it is in a testing phase, and so you can download the early access. And everyone, the other streamers that you are watching, they are playing the tested version, that is the beta version. The early access version you can download too as well. First of all, there was a confusion that the testers limit has reached to a certain height, and so there was not possible for this BGMI to allow some more testers so that they can also install the game, but it is not that case. I will show you how you can download that early accessed version from the Play Store itself. And please don't use any kind of tap or something like that download this kind of games, because as it is available in the Play Store itself, so don't use those kind of applications to download that BGMI, the early accessed one. So keep watching this video and I will show you detailed everything, how to transfer the data and all those stuffs I will show in this video, and so please stay tuned. Okay, so during this data transfer process, one thing which I came across is that you need to identify, or you need to prove them that you originally own your previous account, and you need to transfer that account's data to this BGMI account. In that case, they are allowing only two platforms from which you can identify yourself that you already own that previous application, that is the original global version or something like that, your ID. That is the Facebook and the Twitter. These two social media platforms they are using to verify yourself that you are the only person who own that particular account. And so please make sure that you link another account. That is, in case of the global account, we get to see that two linkable options are given. That is, you can link your Google account as well as your Facebook, Twitter. Some of them might be using iPhones, and so they may use Game Center. All those things are okay, but if you are using only Gmail account and the another one is a plus blank is there, please make sure that you add your Facebook ID or your Twitter handle with that that plus icon. You have to add any one of those, because any one of those social media platforms will be used by this BGMI application to identify that you are the genuine user of your previous account. And so that two applications is required to, so your previous account must be linked with any one of those two, that is the Facebook account or the Twitter account. Suppose you are using your Gmail account, that is the Google account, and play services, and so another one is blank. So before doing this transfer, please make sure that you add that in the plus icon, you add it and click on it and add your Facebook ID or your Twitter ID, anyone you please add, so that you face no issues with your data transfer when it will be done from your global ID to your PUBG Mobile Indian ID. And so after that, you please watch this video. I have explained everything. Okay, so at first you have already, if you already registered for this game, if you go to Play Store and search for PUBG Mobile India, that is you have to search for it. And here as you can see that there is an option here, it says that pre-register. If someone has already pre-registered for the game, then it will show like this, that is unregistered, and it will automatically download when it is available. Those of you who have already registered for it, it will show like this. And so first of all you need to do is that don't do anything with this. If you have already pre-registered for it, leave it like this, that is unregistered, you do unregistered, nothing to do with this. And now you have to go to your Chrome, you have to leave it like this only, and you have to go to Chrome, and here you have to search for, please make sure that you are in a new tab, and so you have to click on here and you have to search for BGMI. You have to click on it. Okay, so here if you scroll down, here you will find the official website of this Battleground Mobile India. This is the official website. You have to click on it just. You have to click on it. After that you scroll down, and here you will find that early access now. You have to just click on it like this. Done. Now what you have to do is you have to click on here, that is be a tester. As you can see that there is an option, this will come for everyone. You have to click on it, that is become a tester. You have to click on it. That means that after you click on it, you become a tester and you can test the early access version. Just click on it. So after you click on it, here you will find that welcome to the testing program, you are now a tester. Here as you can see that there are two links that is given, that is the download it on Play Store, and the other one is the install the public version on the Play Store. Now one thing you have to do is that here you will find this kind of white colored box. You have to click on it, and from here you have to sign in with the same Gmail ID that is connected to your Play Store. That is using which Gmail ID you can access your Play Store. You have to log in with that same Gmail ID. That is, in that case, here I will click on it, and so here it's done. After that you can refresh it 2 to 3 times like this. Now after it's over, now you have to click on this first link. Don't click on the second link, you have to click on this first link. You have to click on it. Okay, so after you click on that first link, it might take some more amount of time for someone to load this early access. That is, here as you can see that this is the early access version, and it is available in the Play Store itself. After it gets after you get onto this page, you will find an install option given here. You will find it here. After that you have to install it directly, and here as you can see that there are two options provided, that is you can uninstall it and you can even play it. Now let me show you how you can access all those data from your global version. Okay, so after you have completed all that installation process, then please make sure you don't use any VPN or any kind of VPN like that to access this Indian version of PUBG Mobile. You don't need to use it. Please delete all those VPNs. It is of no use for now, as it is the actual Indian version of PUBG, and it will be, and you can even play it without using any kind of VPN or something like that. And one thing is that as the global version data will be transferred to your PUBG Mobile Indian version, that is the BGMI. So one thing you can do before you do all those installation process which I showed you, one thing you can do, you can open your global version for the last time, and you can copy that unique ID number that is provided for your global version. You can copy it and you can keep it aside for your safety. If something happens, you can even access that ID and you can get back your account if something happens. But it will not happen, there will be no such issues with that. You will face no problem with that. And so after you download that Indian version of PUBG Mobile, that is BGMI, please make sure that you don't open that global version after you have completed downloading that BGMI, please uninstall that global version. It is of no use, but because after you open BGMI, you play for some time, and then again if you open that global version, then it may lead to your account being suspended or banned for permanently. That is, so please make sure that you don't open your main account, that is the global account, after all your global account data is transferred to your BGMI account, and so please uninstall that global account before you access your BGMI account. Okay, so as I already told you earlier that please don't use any kind of VPNs or something like that. As you can see that I am not using any VPN or something like that. It is completely using my Wi-Fi and doing all those stuffs. And now here, as you can see that this is the icon, how it looks like, and you have to click on it, and here as you can see that it will ask for a permission, that is permission required. Battleground Mobile India is requesting your storage permission to save mobile data. You have to just click on OK, and you have to allow for once, and here you will see that it will update all those things you already know. It's very common with us, and so you have to click on OK. You can select the HD version and you have to click on OK, and from here you will find that it will preparing the resources, that is 618 MB. After it's complete, I will see you again. Okay, so here as you can see that it is almost complete, and within this span of time you will get no errors or something like that, as it is the original version. And please make sure that all those big streamers are playing this kind of early access game only. They are not getting any high-end software or something like that, so that they can access this game before you get it. And so after all it's done, here it says update finish, please restart the game to see new content. All you need to do is to click on OK here. You have to click on OK here. After that, all you need to do is to clear your recents, and now you have to click on Battle Mobile Grounds India once again, and here it says starting. You have to wait, to be patient for that. Okay, so here as you can see that a message popped up, and okay, so here you can see that the privacy policy, you always need to accept it. You have to click on accept here. Okay, so now here you have to click on I agree. It might be off for someone. You have to click on it, that is okay now. And here you can see that this is the PUBG Mobile Indian version interface. As you can see that Battlegrounds Mobile India is here, and as you know that I logged in with Facebook, and so I will if you logged in with Twitter or anything like that, you can do that. First of all, for your main ID you have to click on any one of those. I choose this one, that is Facebook. I have to click on it, and here it might be different for someone others also. You have to click on continue, and so here you can see that it's loading. Okay, so let me increase the volume or something. Okay, so here as you can see that the official music, we are waiting for this game for such a long period of time, and finally it's here, and it is the Indian version. It's available in the Play Store right now. Go download it. And here as you can see that it is compiling the resources, as it is very much similar with all those stuff that we used to do in PUBG. Previously we did the same as well. Let it get over. Okay, so here as you can see that it is compiling the resources, and you can see that I am using no VPN or something like that. It is completely using my it is being installed completely using my mobile data and nothing else, and you don't need to use any VPN. Please delete all those VPNs if you don't want your ID to get banned. And so here as you can see that it is complete. Okay, so here as you can see that this is the interface of the Battle Mobile Grounds India. As you can see, this is already started. Let us see this short video for some time.
Okay, so here our character goes. Okay, so this is how it will look like for each one of you who will download this PUBG Mobile Indian version. Okay, so let me show you. So as you can see that the interface is very awesome, as you can see. Okay, so it looks very beautiful and very interesting. Okay, so here as you can see that this is the Battlegrounds Mobile India. It is the interface. Okay, so all you need to do after that, you need to choose your character. I will be back after choosing all those stuffs. Okay, so after you have chosen your character, you will provided with these kind of gifts from BGMI, as you have already pre-registered for it and you have already early accessed this game, and so you will get this outfit, this mask and this kind of emotes and something like that you will get, and 300 AG we will also get. And so after that you have to click on OK here, and so here it says that PUBG Mobile India, this is the new app, is for users located in India only. Do you reside in India? Surely you reside in India, and so that's why you are watching this video, and so you have to click on yes now. Okay, so now here says that your consent is required. This is the account data transfer process. All you need to do, you have to click yes and please continue. You have to click on it. Okay, so after that you will be provided with this kind of page, that is account data transfer. Okay, so here are all those details. You don't need to do anything with that. You have to just click on yes here. Okay, so here you have to select the social account that is linked to your prior app, which means that if you are connected with your global version of PUBG using your Facebook itself, then you have to click on Facebook, so that it can access the data from that app which is linked to your Facebook. If you use Twitter, you can use Twitter as well, and please make sure that there are these two applications only available. Google account is, I think it's not available. You have to click on Facebook here, and now you have to continue. And so here it will be asking for your profile name and password. After you give it, I will show you once again. Okay, so after everything is done, PUBG Mobile is requesting to access your Gmail ID. Okay, so all you need to do is to continue. Click here. Okay, so here as you can see that that there is an option that came, that is account data transfer. Please note that by clicking yes, your data will be transferred from your beta, that is that version limited to the Krafton. Do you wish to confirm? Obviously you need to confirm it, so you have to click on yes here. Okay, so here as you can see that congratulations, there is a message that popped out just few seconds, and so here that said that congratulations, your data is being successfully transferred. All you need to do is to click on your Facebook once again, and there might be some error that might come sometimes. All you need to do is to click on OK, and you have to log in once again. After that there might be some error that might be showing up. It sometimes happens because your data is now being transferred from that ID to this PUBG Mobile Indian ID. So don't worry, don't panic. So there is nothing wrong in that. It will get transferred, so it takes some time to do so. So you have to log in with your Facebook. If you have done it with Facebook and you have selected that Facebook, so you have to click on Facebook here only. So let me click here once again. Okay, so here now it's done, and so it's loading the game. Okay, so here this kind of gameplay system always shows up, that is gameplay management system. Are you over 18 years old? So yes, I am, so I will click yes. And so here is the game, that is here the interface has completely changed. That is this kind of coupons that we used to get in case of supply crate. This coupon is now being written as Battlegrounds Mobile India. All these things have changed. Let me collect it and show it. And so here it's all, and so here you can see that to ensure your experience less network lag, all these things you need to do. Okay, and so here as you can see that you got a new title that is obtained via Event Center, that is you tried their beta version, and so let me keep it aside for now. You also get this kind of achievements will also get completed, and this is the actual PUBG Mobile Indian version. As you can see that I have got back my ID, everything is okay. Let me ignore it for sometimes, and here you can see that this new player has come with this much of KD, and so everything is like that. And here is my actual account, as you can see. And one thing is that all your data will be transferred to this BGMI, but the main difficulty is that you need to again go through your friend list and you need to add them, as it is completely a different type of game whatsoever, and so you need to again add all those your friends or and everything. That's why I told you to keep that ID of yours so that it is of useful now. And so now you can even share your ID from here as well. That is this ID. This is the ID you need to share it with that person only who is now using that BGMI, this version which I am showing you. And all these things, after you share it, he will send you a friend request from that BGMI application itself, and you can get it and you are good to go. And here are some of the downloads that you can download it according to your storage choice and whatsoever. You can even download it, and everything is all right, everything is working fine. And let me show you the last thing, that is whether it is playable or not. And so let's start by doing an arena match. Okay, so these maps are not even downloaded, so I need to download it first. Okay, so let us play a inventory match, and let me show you that it actually works, and everything is there. The interface is completely the same, there is no differences whatsoever. You have to click on OK for now, and let me click start. Okay, so here as you can see that the game started, and there is no lag, no reloading whatsoever, no VPN used, everything is right. And here as you can see that Battlegrounds Mobile India is written. Previously there was PUBG Mobile written here, some sort of like that. Now it is BGMI written.
This is a simulation game set in a virtual world.
Okay, so here as you can see,
Not represent real life. Please play in moderation. Take frequent breaks and play responsibly.
okay, so these are the advices that you can get. Okay, so here as they are telling me that I am a first player, and so all the settings you have to do it for once again, as I think, and so that is not an issue. But okay, so as I am a 4-finger claw player, I have to play it with my thumb now, and I will die frequently, so don't judge my gameplay. And so here as you can see that it is completely playable and no issues with that. And so let me go out for now. And so this is the whole video, how you can download it, you can do everything, all sorts of like that. And so if you like this video and found this video helpful, please drop a like, and I catch you guys in the next one, and thanks for watching. Last thing is that this is how the icon looks like. Okay, so here as you can see that it is the Battlegrounds Mobile India. I kept it in this folder, and so here all you need to do and your game will be installed like this. So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who want to download this early access of BGMI. And so thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.